Too loud, too loud. What's up guys? So now it's around 1 AM, midnight. Damn man.
Wait, the beginning, the first sub is part of the video, is it?
What?
The first what's up? Then what is part of the video?
I guess so. If you're watching this, then yeah. Oh yeah, so I have a special guest right here.
Dalton!
Yeah, so he's gonna be my
I don't know.
test subject. He's just here.
For this video.
Okay, so as you guys know, can see that from the title.
Ding ding ding!
It's unboxing time.
Oh yeah! Let's get it on!
I'm not gonna do some crazy video shit because it's like middle of the night. Dude, relax. Just do everything like.
You're not relaxed at all! All of a sudden, I'm having like anxiety. You know, I'm getting in my anxiety watching you stabbing that knife. Come on, man!
Midnight.
Come on, man!
This is midnight talk.
Do it properly!
Ooh.
Yeah, it's midnight and we're like doing this random unboxing video because we just feel like it.
Ooh.
Oh, show it to the camera, bro!
It's not.
No, show it to the camera first! No, it's still virgin. Look! Guess what it is? Guess what it is? It's a Joby Gorilla Pod! I thought you were supposed to say it. Say it.
It's a Joby Gorilla Pod.
Yeah. Wow, Jerry. Come on, clap for you.
Okay, but I'm just gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Ooh.
Oh! Mature.
Wait. Boom. Okay.
There we go. And it does not stand. So, first rating, the box sucks because it can't stand.
Yep. Like, what the hell, man? It's supposed to keep your camera standing, but the box doesn't even like.
Sometimes it's not about the box, you know, it's what is inside.
Yep. It's what's inside you, man.
It's what's inside that's standing.
Okay, so I got myself a 3K kit. There's like 1K, 3K, and 5K. There's like a few different versions.
Wait a minute! What? So you got this for 3K? It means like it's like 3,000 freaking ringgit?
Yeah. Shut up, man.
What?
Oh, this is just bullshit, man. Okay?
What?
No, so 3K.
What?
So 3K is just a name for it. The more
much innovation,
the more case there is, the better weight that it can support.
Exactly. Same goes for the D's. More D's, better. Like double D's.
Yeah, better the quality.
Hey, thumbs up for double D's.
Okay, so I'm just gonna open up. Let's see how it looks like.
Oh, much delicate. Wow. Yes. Yeah. Drill your fingers in it. Yeah. Like this. Come on, man. You think you're gonna satisfy your girl like that, man? Come on.
You have to take it slow, bro. Take it slow. Make it softer, man.
Oh, nice.
Instruction manual.
Okay, wait. Since he's doing it, I'm gonna like instruction manual.
So there's like this thing. And then the thing that holds the Joby tripod together. Oh!
Nice! You got protection, guys. This is like the Joby protection.
Okay, so yeah, that's it.
Oh man, it looks so exotic. Just look at this thing. Don't it just makes you wanna? Oh yes!
It's so nice, man. This is actually my first time seeing like one.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. I like the red accent. It's just like wow. Guys, if you haven't held this before, I can say it feels so nice in the hands, especially like oh yes, man. Okay.
So there's a lot of vloggers who are using this, like Casey or like Peter. I mentioned Peter before.
The big boys,
yeah, the big guy.
So if you want to be a big boy, get one of these bad boys. Wait, wrong. If you want to be a big boy, get one of these bad boys.
Yep.
What?
Okay, so we're gonna do a quick comparison of how this feels like with the camera and
how this feels.
Yeah, like how does it feel in the hand?
In the hands.
Okay, so now we're gonna test out with the one that I have, what I'm using right now to shoot. Okay, so Dalton's gonna test it out for me, and then he's gonna tell you how it feels. Because
we're gonna have a very
somehow pretty good with his hands. You know?
Yes, we're gonna do a crazy testing section. Okay, so it's my turn to hold this thingamajigger. I basically call it Edo Beats. So we're using Jerry's one right now. As you can see, it's a bit like it's a bit wobbly lah. The beats are coming off. So it's like it's out of control. I think I can. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What just broke? Never mind. Jerry, I think I broke one of your beats.
Fuck you, man.
And now we're using the Joby Gorilla Pod. It's like so cool. Look at the stability. God damn, son. I mean, it feels really good like in the hand. Oh, your turn now, Jerry.
Damn. Okay, so what you see just now, what he's holding just now, especially this one, is like it's a old piece of.
It's basically a 30 baht. What do you call it? Cetak rompak fake-ish Gorilla Pod from Lazada.
Yeah. And then what I'm using right now is more of a
legit.
Yeah, more of a legit one.
Gorilla Pod. Legit Edo Beats.
People, when they see you holding this, it feels like, damn, he knows what he's doing right there. Not like this kid just wanna be a YouTuber and just wanna gain money and fame and all that shit.
Like what I'm trying to do. I didn't get it.
So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So this is 300 and this is, like he said, this is like around 30
ringgit.
Yeah,
from Lazada, the cheap one.
Yeah, so it makes a big difference for investing like a bit much of the money on this kind of thingies, because it's really handy when you're going out traveling, when you're doing vlogs and everything. It's all-rounder thingy to carry on.
But as you can see lah, this is way stiffer and then this is like so flimsy.
Yeah, and then like this is like very loosey.
Hard dick.
Yeah.
Flimsy dick. See? See, this one is macam no erection like that. Good dick, bad dick. So get the right dick for the right people, right?
And you get the good stuff.
Oh yeah, baby.
Okay, so before I end this, I actually got this from Sashinki. And then Sashinki! Alright, we're getting too long.
Oh my god, this is so good. And then anyways, yeah, you were saying?
So if you want to get yourself one of these, I will drop a link down below. Just click on the link and then just check it out.
Check it out, the link, bruh.
Yeah, and then it's around 300, and my first hand, and I mean our first hand on this thing, just feels so good. It just feels so right. And
feels so good and feels so right. Wow.
Yeah, that sounds so right and so wrong at the
what
same time.
What he said.
Yeah. So yeah, you will know until you try it. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. And then thanks this guy to be
the handy pastor guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's like good with his hands.
Flick it good like this.
I don't know why is he here.
I have no idea too. Anyways, you're forgetting to ask them to subscribe to your channel. What are you doing? Where's the outro, bro? What is this? So ching man. What the heck, dude? Go ahead, do the outro.
If you guys like this video,
don't forget to. Alright. I'll do it.
Yeah. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys like him, go to his channel and then just subscribe and whatsoever. The things are just, it's gonna be here.
There.
Yeah, if you want to watch my previous videos, just
be here
or somewhere around here.
Okay, here, maybe here.
And this is my first unboxing, and hopefully you like it. If you want to watch more of this, just give it a comment down below. If you want to watch more of him in this channel, just comment down below.
Comment Jerry is gay, alright? Because he likes big dicks.
No.
Big dicks in life.
I like hoes, man. I prefer hoes, man.
Peace out.
Peace. Oh shit.